Good afternoon, everyone. This is Vinay working as a maths programmer at Avanti Fellows. Today, we're going to start the chapter probability, guys. As discussed yesterday, in the last class, we completed the 3D geometry, and the last chapter, which is left in our 12th class, is probability. So, I would like to do it as a crash course, like it has to be done fast. I will like to complete within like 2 or 3 classes. I will just try it. Okay, we'll just see whether how much fast we can go. So today I'm going to start the introduction. Okay, I will just give a brief introduction of what is probability and what are the types are there, what event, sample space, and all these things. Okay, and then we can move on to the deeper parts in tomorrow's class. Okay, so everyone please stay attentive. I'm going to share my screen, guys. Good afternoon, YouTubers. I think everyone can see my screen, right? I'm launching the poll. Please give the technical check whether my voice is clear or not, and everyone is able to hear my voice or not, guys. Those who are present, please give the technical check first. Good afternoon, YouTubers. Hariprasad, Sandeep, Priyanka, Bhargav, Soumya. Good afternoon, guys. Stay attentive, everyone. Stay active. And here, hello, Jagan, Surag. Good afternoon. Yeah. Okay. So I'm just still waiting for another 10 seconds. Come on, give it. Complete the technical check fast, guys. Yes, due to any internet connectivity issue, if my voice is breaking, please let me know through the chat box. Okay, anyone who is active. Sorry, your voice is breaking. Please let me know, guys. Okay. Then I will just check my internet connection, guys. Okay, thanks for the confirmation, Sandeep, and good afternoon, Ahmad. Okay, guys, come on. So I'm going to start the class now. I'm ending the poll. If anyone is facing any issues, please let me know through the chat box. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Please stay attentive, guys. Okay. So probability. Okay. See, the name itself, it is ringing some bells, right? Like if someone says probability, we'll just we'll get fear. It's very means it won't understand all these things. This is okay. My voice is breaking. Thank you, Veerappa. Now is it clear? Now is it clear? Okay, okay. Thank you, Veerappa. Yeah, it is clear, right? Yeah. So whenever we are going to the probability, it is just an assumption case. Okay, nothing is difficult. It is completely logical. It is no non-formula based. Nothing. Not you just have to use your brain. That's it. Okay, there is no formulas and all these things. How much effectively you are using your brain, that matters a lot. Okay. Some myths are also there. Before going to the chapter, you guys might have known those who like exactly are not know the scientist name. The scientist who has done research on the probability, like here, some guys have already done the probability on the date of their death also, like that, like date of their death and how means how much after how many years he's going to die. According to that also they done probability, guys. Okay, so this has happened really. So many scientists has done this thing. Means you can assume, sir, how can he predict his death by using the probability? You can just think, right? It's not a very difficult thing. What they have thought is like, see, you observed or not? Small kids, like 1 year kids or 2 year kids, their sleeping time is more or less, guys. Please tell me. They will sleep more or they will sleep less. 1 year, 2 year child, I'm asking. They will sleep more, right? Exactly, right? So whenever your age is increasing day by day, what is happening to your sleep? Generally your sleep is getting reduced. If you take your grandmother or grandfather, they will sleep more or they will sleep less. What do you say? You already observed your grandmother or grandfather, right? They will always wake up at early in the morning, 5 a.m., 4 a.m., like that, right? Have you observed it or not? So they will always sleep less only whenever the grandfather means what they have assumed is as age is increasing, our sleeping time is reduced, will reduce like small amount of time, at least small amount of time. Those who are healthy, for healthy people also, a certain amount of time is there, it will get reduced by year and year and year and year. So they have checked how much, okay, the ratio, how much it is getting reduced for him. Okay, a particular scientist, if you take, he checked himself. Okay, like this day sleep he has counted and everything, and next day sleep, like on average he has taken for 1 year, and he calculated the things, and according to that, so he has calculate the probability of the sleep. Okay, the sleep is getting reduced and reduced. So at what time a sleep is going to be zero, like that he assumed. This is some logic here. Okay, how much it is exactly true and all these things we don't know, but this is how they have used for calculating the probability of death also. This how much, like, probability is everywhere here. If you want to check the weather forecast, you have to do the probability. In day-to-day life, everywhere you will use the probability, guys, right? Okay, so it is completely logical thinking, guys, simply saying. Okay, so you just have to use your brain. So I will give a brief introduction on the probability of what is what. First of all, you should know the basics, right? For going in a perfect way, not like a random way. You should go in a straight way on means for the answer, right? So for that, what are the standard things? I will just let you know. And in the tomorrow's class, I'm going to explain the types like conditional probability and Bayes theorem. Those things tomorrow class I will explain. So today, please listen, everyone. I'm going to explain the introduction. Okay, as you might already know all these things, I'm just revise these things. Okay, like random event, sample space. Okay, all these things. Okay. Yeah. So everyone, please stay active. I hope it will be. Obviously, probability is an interesting chapter if you listen properly. It is not like a, it should not be like I'm teaching something and you are listening to a teacher. It should not be like that. It should be like a discussion case. Okay, please stay active. Okay. So whenever it comes to the probability, what are the two things that comes to our mind? And generally, the questions will be asked in what, guys? Either in a coin or in a head or tail, or you can say the pluck of cards, right? Cards are there, coin, dice, and cards. 52 cards are there, right? Spade, ace, club, all these things, right? Heart, diamond, spade, club. Okay, so these are the three types. Generally, most used is this coin and the dice, right? So I hope everyone has an idea on coin and a dice. Guys, first, okay, before asking the questions, I just want to go step by step. So these are the playing cards. Okay, yeah. So look at here, random experiment. Okay, what these are the things I'm going to discuss now, and then what is probability. I will go into the probability then after discussing and all these things. Okay, so look at here, random. Yes, sir. What is random experiment? Can you please tell me what is random experiment? Is my voice clear, guys? My voice is clear, right? Okay. Okay. Very good. Very good. Okay. Okay. Whenever it is inaudible, please let me know, Surak or anyone. Okay, guys. Yeah. So, what is random experiment? Whenever someone has asked you, what is a random experiment? Very good, Haripriya. Correct. What you will say if someone is asking you, what is a random experiment? Means some experiment you're doing, and for which experiment you can say that it is random. Means obviously, random means what? You can't predict the outcome, right? Means you can't. Do you know the outcome? What it will come? Do you know the output, guys? Please tell me. If someone is saying talking about a random experiment, can you say the outcome? Yeah, this will be your outcome for damn sure. Like that, you can say. You can never say. Do you agree or not, guys? Please tell me. You agree, right? Right, everyone? Yeah. So look at here. If I roll a die, okay. So what are the possible outcomes? A die is consisting of numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Total 6 outcomes. Possible. These are the possible results, right? And if I toss or throw a coin, I will get a head or a tail, right? Two possible outcomes. For a die, there are 6 possible outcomes, and you don't know which one will come, right? Everyone. So look at here. So this is the definition. Which experiment is called as random experiment, guys? It has more than one possible result, because if you're having more than one possible result, then only you can say which one is. We generally can say, I don't know my output, right? If you're having only one possible result, then you will know what is the result, right? Then you will obviously know the output. That is the reason we should say it should have more than one possible result. Means at least two, okay, two or three, anything, such that the output should be unknown. It should not be known, okay? Like you don't know what is the output, guys. That is the thing. So that is called as random experiment, right? Everyone agree or not? Please tell me. Okay. So if someone is talking about a random experiment, this is the definition. Okay, coming to the next part. Try to be fast along with me, guys. Okay. Now, what is outcome and what is sample space? Okay. So, what is samples outcome? Outcome is what here. Okay. What is the possible output? Is a kind of outcome. Like if I roll a die, the outcome could be one, outcome could be two, outcome could be three, all these things. And what is sample space, guys? Outcome is a possible result. And what is sample space? Please tell me. Guys, come on, please try to give the answer. What is the sample scale shapes all the set of outcomes, total number of, very good, Suraj. Yeah, exactly, total number of outcomes. Exactly. If you want to say all the, like if I roll a die, what is my sample space, guys? If I roll a die, what is my sample space? If I want to say sample space, set of 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 4 comma 5 comma 6. So this is my sample space, because all these are the all possible outcomes if I roll a die, right? Okay. Yeah, very good, Bhargav, Supriya, guys, Priyanka. Yeah, so look at here, guys. So this is one example, right? So possible. So look at here, the definition here. A possible result of a random experiment is called outcome. Okay, and the set of all possible outcomes is called sample space. Okay, so this everyone knows it, right? So till now we have discussed about random experiment, outcome, and sample space. Okay, so try to know the difference between each and each, guys. Okay, so yeah, if you toss a coin, then what is your sample space, guys? Look at here, sample space is set of head comma tail, because either your outcome will be head, either your outcome will be a tail. So sample space is head comma tail. Guys, clear? Everyone, in no doubts, are it right? Each outcome of the random experiment is also called a sample point. Okay, sample point, if someone wants to know, sample point is one single outcome can be called as sample point. Okay, yeah. So these are the playing cards. I hope everyone knows it, right? Spades, total 52 will be there, guys. Okay, out of 52, they are divided into 4 equal parts. 13, 4, 52 by 4 is what? 13, right? So 13, 13, 13, and 13. And what are the four? Yes, is my voice clear? Now it is clear, or now else it is getting stuck, guys. Guys, can you getting stuck? Huh? Guys, is it clear now? Not clear, right? Okay, okay. Sometimes this internet is creating issues, guys. Okay, sorry. So look at here. So I'm where am I? Yeah, here playing cards. Total, how many playing cards are there? 52 playing cards are there, and it is divided into 4 groups: 13, 13, 13, 13. And what are the name of the groups, guys? Heart, spade, diamond, and club. Okay, everyone. I think everyone knows how to play cards. I think so. I don't know how to play cards till now, guys. How many of you have idea on this cards, guys? Come on. Do you guys have idea on cards, or this is the first time? Okay, you have idea, right? Means how many cards are there and everything. You guys know clearly. If you know, that is too good here. Very good, very good. Okay, work. Yeah, sorry. Okay, look at here. Yeah. Okay, Bargo. For now, I have stopped my video. Okay. Okay, guys. Very good, very good. So as you have already idea, so there are four types will be this. The names are hard, diamond, spade, and club, and each and every way, a total I think 10 numbers. Ace is there, 10 numbers are there, and some king, queen, and jack. Right? Okay. Yeah, we'll discuss it in while doing problems. Okay. So look at here. The next one is the problem. So if someone is asking you, guys, look at here. What is the question he's asking? Look at here, everyone. I think everyone can see the question, right? So look at here. In each of the following, describe the sample space for the indicated experiment. So look at here. What is asking? What is my sample space? Okay. So if I just want to what to say, I'm just closing the answer, guys. You just guys tell me what is the question is asking. A coin is tossed three times. Guys, if a coin is tossed three times, can anyone tell me what could be my sample space? Uh, a coin is tossed three times, guys. Nah. So for each toss, how many outcomes will be there? Either head or tail, right? And the second one, H or T, and the third one, H or T, right? So how many possibilities you're having? It is like a octants, right? How many octants you will have? Someone asking H, 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 S, T, and all these things. Total, how many things you will get? It is if you want to see, by using permutation combinations here, two possibilities into two possibilities. Total, how many possibilities, guys? What is your answer? If a coin is tossed three times, what is your total sample space? It is eight, right? Okay, is it clear? Yeah. So look at here. So total very eight outcomes, right? Very good, guys. Who has given the answer? Naveen, Suraj, Chidmay, Prakash, Anusha, everyone is correct, and Yushabas, Ahmad, Sandeep, Bhargav, Priyanka, and Sandeep. Everyone is correct, guys. Very good. So now those are given. Everyone try to very good, Virapa. Now try to give me the answer for the second one. A die is thrown two times. A die is thrown two times. What is the sample space? It is very easy. Guys here ask, no, it is not a coin, Anushan Chinmay, die. Guys, please make sure it is die, guys. It is not a coin. Please be careful. A die is thrown two times. So I need how many outcomes are there? Simple, it is very simple, yeah. I know that each and every one of you know these things. I just want to make sure everyone has got clear-cut idea. Karthik, Suchindra, Suraj, Rakesh, Anusha, Chidmay, everyone is correct. Very good, guys. Veerappa, Harithya, Jagan. Yeah, very good, guys. Reddy and Harini, correct, guys. And YouTubers also, Sandeep, Priyanka, Supriya, Bharko, Ramakrishna, everyone is correct. Very good, guys. So that is okay. And now what about the third one, guys? So sorry. Let me explain the answer also. A die is thrown two times, right? In die, how many outcomes will be there? Total six numbers, right? Six outcomes are there. Two times you are thrown. So 6 into 6. So it is 36. Okay. So it is just call it a 6 square, you can say. If three times it is 6 cube, like that. Okay. That's it. So it is 36, guys. Okay. So what is the third question, guys? Third question is asking a coin is tossed and a die is thrown. Guys, a coin is tossed and a die is thrown. How many outcomes are there? I'll just see who will give the answer. A coin is tossed and a die is thrown. Like in one parallelly, a coin and a die has been thrown. So how many outcomes you can get? Come on, guys. Very good, very good, excellent. Naveen Haritya, Chinmay, one check it. Surag Reddy is correct, and Karthik Suchindra Prakash correct. Veerapan check it. Rakesh Harini Jagan is correct. Very good, guys. And YouTubers Bhargav, Supriya, Sandeep, Ramakrishna, everyone is correct. Yeah, simple here. Okay, if coin is tossed and a die is thrown means what? Coin is tossed. For coin, how many outcomes will be there? I will have two outcomes. And for die, how many outcomes are there? Six outcomes. How many? 12 it is. That's it. It is not at all difficult, right? So look at here. I'll just show what are the things. This is die and die. Okay, total 36 outcomes. So this is the sample space. 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 4, 1, 5, 1, 6, and 2, 1, 2, 2, 2, 3, 2, 4. Okay, all these things you guys know it, right? Okay, means 1 with all 6 numbers, 2 with all 6 numbers, 3 with all 6 numbers, and till 6 with all 6 numbers. Total 6 into 6, we would have 36 for 2 die, guys. Okay, now what it is? It is one coin is tossed and a die is thrown. Look at here. So what is happening here? So obviously, if for coin I will have a head or tail, and for die I will have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So head plus this all these things, and tail plus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Total 6 plus 6. How much? It is 12. So this is my sample space. Guess clear, everyone? So there is no confusion regarding the sample space, right? Okay. So now what is the question? Look at here. An experiment consists of tossing a coin and then throwing it second time if a head occurs. Okay, this has to be very important. That is the reason I'm keeping it down. Guys, I think everyone can see the question, right? Once study the question, everyone. Guys, my request to each and every one of you is once study the question. What is question? I'm reading the question. An experiment consists of tossing a coin and then after tossing a coin and then throwing it second time if head occurs. If head occurs, we'll throw it second time. Or if tail occurs, then a die is rolled once. So find the sample space. So did you guys understood the question or not? What he's asking is first he has tossed a coin, guys. See, I will write the answer in the top. Okay. First a coin is tossed. Okay. So what could be my outcome? My outcome could be head, or my outcome could be tail. Okay. Or else wait, I will write it here. See, I'm taking my outcome will be head, or my outcome could be tail, guys. Okay. So what is saying? Look at the question, everyone. Please be careful. If head occurs, then throwing it second time, he's saying. Okay. Means if head occurs, in the second time, again you are throwing a coin. So what are your possibilities, guys? For the second part, what could be your possibilities? It could be H, or it could be tail. So total, how many things you got? If you tossed a coin and you are getting a head, so it will be HH or HT. These are the two outcomes. Guys, understanding or not? Again, I'm repeating, guys. A coin has been tossed, and if head occurs, again you have to throw the same coin. Again, you have to throw the same coin. So, what are the possible outcomes? If I throw a coin, I'm having a head. Then again, you have to throw a coin only. So output could be the second time the outcome could be head, or the second time outcome could be tail. So these are the two possible outcomes for the first case. Means where head is coming. Okay. So if in the first, if your coin is tossed and tail is coming, what is saying? Look at here, everyone. So if tail is coming, then a die is rolled. Means here for tail, for the second time, what are your possible things? Die roll means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It could be anything, right? So for die, what could be your outcomes? T1 could be outcome, T2 could be your outcome, T3 could be your outcome, or T4, T5, and T6. So if I talk about your sample space, each and everything together will be your sample space. So what are the number of sample space, guys? Total number of elements in the sample space, how much? So I say it is 8. Who has given the answer? Yeah, Veerappa is correct, Karthik is correct, Naveen very good, Suchindra correct, Prakash Chinmay, check it, Chinmay, Suraj Naveen is correct. Yeah, very good guys. So I understood. Everyone here, YouTubers, Sandeep Bhargav is correct and Prasanna is correct. Yeah, very good, Supriya. So clear, right? So these are your possible outcomes. Okay, so these are your sample points. So what are the points in the sample space? Those are called as sample points. Okay, total 8 you are having. Okay, understood? So this is how he might ask you the question. So look at here. Another small question is there. Yeah. Experiment consists of, guys, the same kind of question. I need how many number of elements are there in the sample space. That's it. No need of writing the sample space, guys. It will be a very big one. I just need how many elements you are getting. So what is the question? I'm reading the question, guys. An experiment consists of rolling a die. Okay, I'm rolling a die, and if the outcome is even, then I will toss a coin. And if my outcome is odd, the coin is tossed twice. Okay. I will switch on the timer for this one. I need answers from you. How many total number of sample points? Total number of sample points that I require. I'm giving you 4 minutes of time, guys. Come on, try to give me the answer fast. It is easier, not a big deal. Completely similar to the previous one only. Only thing is, there he has given a coin. Here he has given a die first. Right, everyone. So come on, what is your answer? YouTubers, everyone try to give me the answer, guys. Come on. Okay, who has given the answer, guys? Prakash, Karthik is correct. Naveen is correct. Very good, guys. Chinmay, once check it. Suraj and Rakesh is correct. Harini, once check it. And YouTubers. Bhargav is correct and Prasanna is correct. Priyanka and Supriya is correct. Very good, guys. Very good. What about Shivakumar is correct. Very good. So please, whenever you're getting a wrong answer, just try to read the question once again. Okay. The question is, you are rolling a die and then tossing a coin once the number on the die is even. Okay, means after in the first you're rolling a die. If it is even, then you have to toss a coin. If the output is odd, then you have to toss the coin twice. Guys, is my voice clear? Or is it breaking, guys? Okay. It is breaking, right? Now now also is breaking or it is clear? Okay, okay, thank you. And last 1 minute, come on, try to give me the answer. Very good, Suchindra. Super. And Jagan, very good, correct. Come on, rest of the YouTubers, try to give me the answer, guys. Yeah, Harini, very good. Now your answer is correct, Harini. And Anusha, your answer is correct, very good. Super. Yeah, Ramakrishna Reddy, it is correct. Okay, time is up. So it is very easy, guys. Look at here, everyone. What is talking about? See, it is very easy. Note of writing also. See, look at here. What is said? You are rolling a die, right? You are rolling a die. So how many outcomes you will have? You will have total 6 outcomes. So what he is saying, he is dividing these outcomes into even or odd, right? If it is even, one thing happens. If it is odd, another thing happens. Even, how many outcomes will be there for even? It will, I can say it is 3, right? For odd, it will be 3. Guys, do you agree or not? So if it is even, then what is saying? The coin, once more, you are tossing a coin, sorry, not a die, you are tossing a coin now. So how many outputs will be there for my coin? Please tell me. So it is 2. So how much it is? 3 into 2 is 6. For even, 6 outcomes. Okay. For even, you are having 6 outcomes. So if it is odd, what he's saying? He's saying that he's going to toss the coin twice. Guys, if coin is tossed twice, how many outcomes will be there? Can anyone please tell me? If I tossed a coin twice, how many outcomes will be there? H H H T T H and T T. 4, right? Exactly. Very good. So it will be 2 into 2. If I want to say it is 2 into 2, it is 4. So how many outcomes it is there? It is 3 into 4. So that is equal to 12 for odd. Okay. So total how much? It is 18. So total 18 outcomes will be there for your sample space. So these are the all the things. You can just check it, guys. Note of writing these things here. 2H2T, 4H, 40, 6H, 60, right? And this one is 1 with HH, HT, TH, and TT. Okay, and like similarly for 3 and 5. Guys, clear? So the way you're seeing the things matters a lot. Everyone understood clearly or not? Come on, try to reply fast, guys. Yes or no? Yes, come on. Guys, can I move on to the next one? Please tell me. Okay, very good, guys. So, what is an event? Now comes the event. Till now, what we have discussed, guys, we have discussed what is a random experiment and a outcome and a sample space, right? And what is an event? Can you tell me what is an event? Can I say event is the, if some favorable outcome, like if I want what you say, as just now we discussed, I want an even number. If I toss if I throw a die, like how many you will get in the outcome? So you will get 2, 4, and 6 out of these 3 you will get out of 6 outcomes. Okay, so can I say event is a subset of my sample space? Yes, can I say it or not? Come on, guys. Yes or no? You just have to reply immediately. Yes, right. Yeah. So look at here, everyone. So if someone is talking about a both are head, if see two coin, okay, 2 coins are tossed. So what are the possible outcomes? H H H T T H and TT, right? So these are my possible outcomes. If I say both are head, so this is my favorable outcome, right? This is my favorable outcome HH. So my HH is always subset of my all fours, right? Okay, E is subset of S. And if I'm talking about one head, so these all three. So this is also a subset of my sample space. So event is always subset of the given sample space, right? A subset of a sample space is called as event. You can say like that, okay? A subset of a sample space is called an event. So total number, guys, if in sets we have studied, right? If number of elements is equal to n, what are the total number of subsets? Guys, the number of elements in a set is n. So what are total number of subsets? It is studied or not? In events chapter we have studied this thing. Come on, try to give me the answer. Very good, Suchindra. I'm repeating the question. If a set A is consisting of n elements, what are the total number of subsets for set A? Everyone try to give me the answer. So it is 2 power n, right? Very good, Suchindra Veerappa Suraj. Everyone is correct. Very good, guys. So it is 2 power n, right? So here, what I'm saying, any subset of sample space is an event. So total number of event means total number of subsets itself, right? So I can say 2 power p is your total number of events, right? Yeah, very good, Sandeep, Priyanka, and Amrita Reddy. Yeah. So what I'm trying to say is total number of events are nothing but total number of subsets of the sample space. Okay, so it is 2 power n. Please remember that. So types of events, this is a small thing. Only important here, only important thing is very important is mutually exclusive and exhaustive events. These two are very important. Okay, mutually exclusive and exhaustive are very important, and rest of these things are very easy. What is impossible event? Look at here. What is impossible event? If I throw a die and I'm asking you, my event is the number appear on the die is multiple of 7. Guys, do we get such a number? Please tell me, do you get such a number? You can never get such multiple of 7 you will get from a die. You will never get it. So it is an impossible thing. So these kind of things will call is called as impossible event case. Okay. Yeah, it is. I don't want to waste much time. And what is sure event? For damn sure you will get it. Like if I throw a die, I'm asking you either odd I need or even I will need. So obviously the all numbers will be odd or even. Okay, neither even no number is there, right, in 1 to 6. Okay, so that's it. So this is a sure event. What is simple event? If event has only one sample point, okay, means the event, okay, according to the favorable outcome, it is only you're getting one outcome. Like event one, you're having only set of one element. Okay, either one or either two, either three, like that. So it is a simple event. Guys, is it okay? Okay, this is small things, guys. Compound event means what? More than one sample point. Here one sample point, and here compound more than one sample points. Okay, yeah. So now comes the mutually exclusive events. Guys, can anyone tell me what is mutually exclusive events? This is very important. How, when can you say two events are mutually exclusive events? Set of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, that is okay. So now I just want to form event 1 and event 2. Okay, I'll say what is event 1 and what is event 2. Before going to that, do you have any idea on what is mutually exclusive events? Just now I don't know. Please tell me. Yeah, very good, Priyanka. Sandeep, you have to change the sentence formation. Exactly, it is not thing. Supriya, very good. What about others? Just try to give answers. Whatever you know, try to give the answer, right? It should be like a discussion. It should not be like a teaching, like one thing I'm teaching is just listening. It should be like a discussion, guys. Come on, try to give me the answer. What I'm asking is, when can you say two events are mutually exclusive events? When can you say? Okay. Okay, very good, Suraj and Prakash. Like, yeah. Come on, please say your opinion, guys. Very good, Karthik. Exactly. Yeah, Hari Prasad, correct. So if someone is asking you mutual exclusive means, okay, see, mutual exclusive means exactly both events intersection, nothing common should be there. Okay, intersection should be 5. Like for example, if event 1 I need a odd number, okay, and event 2 is even number. So what are your odd numbers here? 1 comma 3 comma 5 and 2 comma 4 comma 6. What is E1 intersection E2? Is there any intersection? Means the element it should be both even and or something is there. It won't be there, guys. It is equal to 5. Okay, it is a null one, null set. Okay, so this kind of events are called as mutually exclusive events. Simply, the intersection should be 5. Nothing should be there. That's clear. No common element should be there, guys. Okay. Yeah, Lakshmi, correct. So look at here. So this is the mutual exclusive events. Okay, if you say E intersection F is odd, like that. Okay, you can just seek. So what is the question? Is what is exhaustive events, guys? At the same time, we'll discuss about the exhaustive also. When someone is asking about exhaustive events, what can you say? Come on, try to give me the answer, guys. What is exhaustive events? If some event 1 is there, I will take my sample space as 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 4 comma 5 comma 6. See, event 1 as 1 comma 2, event 2 as something, anything it could be here. Okay, I could be 2 comma 3 comma 4, and even 3 as some 5 comma 6. Guess what is happening here? If someone is asking you exhaustive, the definition is, see, exclusive is intersection should be 5. Exhaustive is quite opposite, like union. What is the opposite of the intersection, guys? It is union. So union of all the events is equal to sample space, guys. Means if union of all events should be equal to your sample space. For example, look at here. If you do union of E1, E2, E3, what you are getting? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, all elements you are getting. So for example, if I'm telling you my event 3, guys, my event 3 is consisting only element 5. Is E1, E2, E3 union is equal to sample space? Is it correct? Is it correct? My event 3 is consisting only element 5. Is it correct? Yes or no? Come on, try to give me the answer. Which element is missing, guys? Come on, try to give me the answer. Yeah, exactly. So it is not correct. It means union, you're not getting sample space. So it is not exhaustive. Like that you have to say. So if you are including an element 6, and then you can say it is exhaustive. Means if you do union of all the elements, it should be equal to it should give you the sample space. Guys, clear? Guys, clear? Understood, right? Exhaustive events. Look at here. Union of all the elements should be equal to the sample space. Understood. So some events could be both mutual exhaustive and exclusive also. Both. And for example, look at here. If I take a sample space as 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 4 comma 5 comma 6, something like this, and even as 1 comma 2, okay, my set 1, guys, set 1 I am taking, set 1 E2 as 2 comma 3 comma 4 and E3 as 5 comma 6, okay, and my second set of events are E1 as 1 comma 2 and E2 as 3 comma 4 and E3 as 5 comma 6. Guys, now can anyone please tell me my first set is mutually exclusive or mutually exhaustive? My first set of events, is it exclusive or exhaustive? E1, E2, E3 all together I'm asking. Guys, come on, try to give me the answer. Is it exclusive or exhaustive? It is not exclusive. Why it is not exclusive? Because E1 intersection E2 you are getting one element, same element as common. It is 2. So it is not exclusive, right? So you say exhaustive? Yeah, obviously, because my E1 you here E1 union E2 union E3 if I'm doing, I'm getting sample space. What is the first one is exhaustive. Now can anyone tell me what about my second set of events? Second set of events, is it exclusive or exhaustive? Very good guys, super. Harini and Virappa wants to check it. Is it only exclusive or only exhaustive or both? That I want. Surag Prakash is exactly correct. Navin is correct. Very good. Karthik is correct. Chinmay Virappa Harini check it. Suchindra. Yeah, Chinmay. Now it is correct. Excuse me. Yeah, sorry guys. So look at here. Yeah, Harini is now correct. Suchindra, Chinmay is Harini correct. Virappa is correct. Yeah, very good. And here YouTubers Sandeep, Priyanka correct. Madhavi, Lakshmi, and Ramakrishna. Everyone is correct, guys. Very good. Super. So please tell me. So obviously here E1 intersection E2 intersection E3 is equal to 5, right? So any two events you are taking, there is no common element. So that is that gives us it is mutually exclusive events, right? What about exhaustive? E1 union E2 union E3 if I'm doing, yeah, here also I'm getting my sample space. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, every element is there. So it is mutually exhaustive. You can just say exhaustive events or mutual exhaustive, anything you like. So it is exhaustive events. Okay. Guys, clear? So someone is talking about mutually exclusive and exhaustive events. So clear cut idea is there for you or not? Please tell me. Understood, everyone? Come on, guys, try to give reply. Then I can go on to the examples. So mutually exclusive and exhaustive events. Clear, right? Okay. So chalo. Now we'll see the question. Look at here, everyone. Guys, once try to check the question. What he has given. An experiment involves rolling a pair of dice and recording the numbers that come up. Okay. Describe the following events. Okay. So please tell me what is happening here. Experiment involves rolling a pair of dice. Okay. Pair of dice means 2 dice. Guys, is it okay? 2 dice I'm rolling and recording the numbers. Just leave it. If 2 dice are rolled, what is my sample space? Total number. What is the total number of elements in my sample space if 2 dice are rolled? Come on, guys. Come on. That is immediately. Sample space has to be. You should give the answer immediately because sample space is very, very important. Without sample space, you can't proceed your move on to in the question. So 2 dice are rolled. How many sample space you get? One for one die outcomes are 6 and the second die outcome are 6. So 6 into 6 it is 6 square. It is 36. Right? Very good. So what is asking, guys? The sum is greater than 8. is asking three events. Event A, which is sum is greater than 8, right? So if sum is greater than 8, here you can just that's very easy. That is not a big deal, right? So what can you say? So you can start with, please tell me, the maximum is 6. So see how to think, that I'm telling you guys. Please look at here, everyone. The first question is sum is greater than 8, he's saying, right? So listen to me, how to think. So here we are having 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 in for first and second, okay? So sum has to be greater than 8, that is what he is saying. So please tell me, here two pair of dice I'm throwing, right? So what could be the maximum value? It is 6 element, maximum element is 6. So other one, so the least will be 2. So what you have to do is, so the sum is 8, so this is not happening. So you have to start minimum with 3. Yes, understanding or not? If you start with 2, then you won't get a sum greater than 8, right? Yes, what I'm trying to say, you are understanding or not? So it will be 3 and 6. You have to start from here. Okay, so I'm telling you how to think of the question, guys. Directly, if I want to say the answer, I can just show the answer, guys. Okay, just listen. How to think, I'm saying, because you can't start with 1, you can't start with 2, because the other element you are not getting, you will not get some greater than 8. Okay, so you have to start with 3, 6, and you try to increase one number, 4. Then how much? 4 and 5 is greater than 8, and 4 and 6 is also greater than 8. Is it okay? Is it okay? Means with 3 completed and with 4 completed, right? And come on, what is the other one? If I'm talking about 5, 5 and 5 will be there. 5 and 4, 6 will be there, and 5 and 4 will be there. Okay. And 5 and 3 won't be there, right? 5 and 3, you try to divide the things with the first element. Okay, with 5 you are getting 2, 3, with 3 you're getting like that. Okay, so the last one is 6. Can anyone tell me 6 will go with will it go with 2? No, it will never go with 2, because I need greater than 8, not equal 8. So it is 6, 3, 6, 4. So whatever it is there, all the things you just take it. So how many elements you're getting, guys, in your sample space total? Come on, total you are getting 10 elements in your sample space. Guys, clear? You understood? So here your answer is also there. Look at here. So here these are all the things. Okay. So how to think, that is what I'm trying to explain here. Okay, don't just by heart the things blindly. And can you now, you can even please tell me the second one, guys? I'm asking you to give me the answer for event B, which is 2 occurs on either day. How many number of elements you will get in your set? 2 occurs on either day. Means 2 must be there in the combination. Come on, I will see who will give me the answer. Naveen and Karthik both are correct. Very good, guys. Super. Surag, small mistake is there. One second. I'm giving you 2 minutes of time, guys. Come on, try to give me the answer. The question is, you are rolling a die twice, okay? Like a pair of dice, okay? Not rolling dice twice. A pair of dice has been thrown, and what is the what to say? How many number of elements will become for the event B, where the event B condition is 2 occurs on either side? Very good, Suraj. Correct. Harini, either side means at least 1 is enough. At least 1, 2 is enough. There is no necessary that both should be 2. Okay. Veerappa, check your answer. And YouTuber Sandeep. Very good, Sandeep. Super. Supriya Ahmad, once check it. Sugna, once check it. No, Suchindra, it is not an impossible event, right? You can get two right. He's not asking some a number element 8. Chinmay is correct, very good, and Shivakumar is correct, very good, guys. Come on, what about others? To give me the answer. Yeah, now the last answer is correct, Supriya. Yeah, and I forgot to mention one important thing, guys. YouTubers, as I'm telling from the last class, in your video description, there will be a link, Avanti daily attendance link. Okay, so that link you have to give the attendance for today's class. So everyone, please give it fast. It is very important. Everyone, Avanti fellows are trying to track the attendance. So I'm posting the link in your chat box also. So those who are present right now in YouTube live, please try to give the attendance by filling up the Google form. Guys, come on. You can check the link from the description of today's video, or else I've just pasted it in the chat box. It's okay, Kusum. Just try to stay active from now onwards. No issues. Yeah, even though it is same, you have to give it today also. Today, did you have you given or not, Sandeep? Because they will check the today's date and time when you are giving it. Okay, so it will be like that. They will track it. Okay, so if you're giving now, so yeah, Sandeep has given at 4 p.m. and 5th February. Like that, they will check it. Okay, so within the class time, you have to give it, guys. Okay, then only it is counted, or else it is not counted. Okay, guys, who has given the answer? Okay. Chinmay, Shivakumar, Harini is correct. Very good. Okay, time is up, guys. So what is the question here? Two occurs on either side means what? It is very simple. Means, look at here, everyone. Means you just want two, okay? So two with all combinations. 2 1, 2 2, 2 3, 2 4, 2 5, 2 6. You can think the opposite one. 1 2, 2 2, 3 2, 4 2, 5 2, 6 2. So you are getting 12 combinations. Is it correct? Here one mistake is there, guys. What is the mistake? Here you are getting us the same thing twice. So one has to be eliminated, right? 2 2. 2 2 has to be counted once. So total how many things are left? 11. So your answer is 11, guys. Clear? It is still not yet right, Hariprasad. Okay, I will just ask here. I will just ask it, okay? Guys, clear? So now please tell me what is the third one. Come on, what is the third one, guys? The sum is at least 7 and a multiple of 3. Okay, that you can just look at the sample space and try to give me the answer. So here, see. Yeah, so this is the sample space. This is not a, you can, if you have the sample space, you can say it easily. So you can just say it is sum has to be greater than, sorry, yeah, at least 7, and it has to be multiple of 3. So it could be 3 comma 6, 4 comma 5, 5 comma 4, 6 comma 3, and 6 comma 6. Okay, very good, Naveen. Super. Question you need, Priyanka. The question is, see, two dice, pair of dice has been thrown at a time. Okay, a pair of dice has been thrown, and is asking what are the events, the following events, and the event A is the sum of the two outcomes of the two dice. It should be greater than 8 is the event A, Priyanka. And the event B question is either on either die, at least 2 should come. Okay, it means number 2 should come on either of the die. Okay, and the event C is sum is at least 7, and the sum has to be a multiple of 3. That's it. Okay, so that is the question. The probability question is very important, guys. Means questions are very important. How much exactly and focus is you read the question, that much easily and fast you can answer that. You can give the answer. Okay? So this is the answer. Okay, and yeah, look at here, everyone. Complementary event. This is very important. A complementary event A union B, A or B, and event A and B, A but not B. Please tell me. Complementary event. First one. Okay, algebraic events. We are going to discuss what is a complementary event, and the second one is A union B, and the third one is A and B means A intersection B, and the last one is A but not B means A minus B. Is it okay? So sure. So guys, if I'm talking about sample space, the same thing, just take it for convenience. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And if I'm telling you my event 1 is or event something is equal to 2 comma 3. Okay. So if someone is asking you, you just take event A. If I'm asking you what is the complement of A complement, what are the elements of A complement, guys? Come on. Okay, Lakshmi, I will ask the one thing is to add Guntur district. Okay. Guys, I hope those are present in the YouTube, everyone has given the attendance, right? If anyone is still pending, please give the attendance by filling the form. Okay. Yeah. So what is A complement? What is the answer? Who has given the answer? Very good, Naveen, Veerappa, Jagan, Suraj. Very good guess. Sandeep, very good. So what is A complement? A complement means other than A. Other than A, right? Means all the elements in the sample space which is not A. Like if you want to say exactly what I have to say, guys, means my sample space minus A I have to say, right? Exactly, right? So what are the elements? 1, comma 4, comma 5, comma 6. Very good, Ramakrishna Priyanka. Exactly. So this is the A complement. So a complement, you understood or not? Complement means other than our event, all rest of the all the rest of the elements is called as complement. Guys, clear? Guys, can you please give me the reply, yes or no? Complementary events, you understood or not? If some event has been given, if someone is asking you what is the complement of the event, can you do it or not? Yeah, very good. So now comes the A or B. Guys, if E1 is equal to 1, 2, 3, and E2 is equal to some 2, comma 3, comma 4, comma 5. So A or sorry, A or B. So I want to take A and B, guys, for the notation. Event A and event B. So if someone is asking you A or B, what is the meaning of A or B? It is nothing but A union B. Guys, can anyone please tell me what is A and union B? All the elements together in A means all the elements in A as well as B. Everything together is called as A union B, right? So can you tell me what are the set of elements? So it is 1, comma, you should not miss a single element, guys. 4, comma 1, comma 2, comma 3, comma 4, comma 5. Okay, union. Okay, I think everyone knows this small things. And guys, please tell me what is A and B? A and B means what? A intersection B, right? Yes, what is A intersection B? Means common elements. What are the common elements in both the event A and B? It is 2, comma 3. Guys, clear? Guys, clear? If it is clear, now what I'm asking is, the last one is very important. A but not B. This is very, very important, guys. So it is called as A minus B. Okay, means it should present in A, but it should not present in B. Okay. So guys, it should present in A, but it should not present in B. Suraj, please listen to the words. It should present. What are such elements you are having? It should be present in A, but should not present in B. So it is the only element 1 because 2, 3 are present in B, right? Guys, clear? Very good, guys. Very good. Karthik, Suraj, Veerappa, very good. Naveen, yeah. So understood, right? So A union B, intersection B, A minus B. And if you think about the sets, I think everyone knows this, right? I'm just, as the time comes, just telling you. If someone is talking about sets, two sets, right? Set A and set B. So please tell me, this is my A intersection B. Do you agree or not? And guys, this is what is the blue marking, guys? Can anyone please tell me? What is the blue marking? This is set A and set B. What is my blue marking, guys? Guys, come on, try to give me the answer. What is my blue marking? Blue marking, I'm asking Suraj. It is all elements in set A which are not present in set B. What is the meaning of that one? Very good, Karthik Veerappa. Chinmay, please check it. Shivkumar is correct. Usha is correct. Very good. It is A, only A. Only A means what, Prakash? A minus B. A minus B, right? Means you are removing the B. Understood, everyone? What about the red marking, guys? Very good. It is only B means B, elements in B but not in A. So it is B minus. Guess clear, everyone? You got the idea, right? So as you got idea, I just want to give some important thing here. Uh, I don't know how many of you know this one. What is A union B whole complement? Guys, come on, try to give me the answer first. What is A union B whole complement, guys? Everyone? So this complement thing, you can, if you want, if you have some confusion, so what you will do, so just look at here, this is my A union B, right? So A union B whole complement means all the elements in sample space except my A union B, means this green space, right? Guys, do you agree or not? So this could be called as taught, what you say, A complement intersection B complement, can I say? Guys, come on. So while doing the probability, this is very, very helpful and very, very useful, guys, these complementary things. Okay, yeah. So while finding the P of A and P of A union B, P of A intersection B. This is very, very helpful. That I will explain that. So this is some idea, you got it or not clearly? Yeah, Jatin. So A union B, A intersection B, and A minus B, and all these things, you got idea or not? Please tell me, guys. Okay, very good. So A intersection B, A minus B. Okay, guys, A minus B here. One thing I would like to tell you, as he has given here. What is the another way of telling A minus B? See, this is my A minus B, right? This is my A minus B. What is another way of telling A minus B? What if I do, guys, look at here. A intersection B complement. Very good, Surya. A intersection B complement means what? This whole space, right? Whole space except B. Intersection A. That also A minus B. Do you guys agree or not? Please tell me. So please remember this one. Whenever A minus B, it is also called as A intersection B complement. Similarly, if someone is talking about B minus A, it is also equal to B intersection A complement. Okay. So that is what he has given here. This is important, guys. Okay. Yeah. A in A minus B. So what is the question is asking here? 2 dice are thrown, getting an even number on the, guys, this is not that important. So look at here. What is asking? 2 dice are thrown, getting an even number on the first die is event A. Okay, and getting an odd number is even B. Or else I will just give you one example, guys. My own example. Sample space I am having 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Event 1 is equal to even numbers, guys. Okay, and event 2 is my element X is greater than 3. Okay, so now can anyone tell me what is my even intersection E2? And what is even intersection E2? First of all, tell me. I need 3 answers, guys. Even intersection E2, even minus E2, and third one is even union E2. It is very simple, right? It is not a big deal. Look at here, everyone. So what is my event 1? Even numbers. What is even numbers? Here 2, 4, 6 is my output. Okay, that is okay. What about event 2? Element has to be greater than 3. It is not equal to 3, so it is 4, 5, 6. So now you guys tell me one event is 2, 4, 6. Another one is 4, 5, 6. Intersection means what it is? I think it is 4, 6 is my answer for the first one. Now even minus E2, what is the answer, guys? All the elements which are present in event 1 and should not present in event 2. What are such elements? Please tell me what is the answer. Yes, come on. Very good, guys. Karthik, Navin, Surak, very good. So it should not be, Virappa Vishak 4 is not there, guys. Okay. So it is only element 2. Okay. So element 2. Understood, everyone? Element 2 is the only element which is present in event 1, and it is not presenting in event 2. Very good, Karthik and Usha. Yeah, very good, guys. So what about even union E2? Union means what? Set of all elements together. 2, 4, 5, 6. Very good. That's it. Guess clear, everyone? Union intersection minus A minus B. So in conclusion, in summary, please remember my only thing is, please remember that A minus B is always equal to A intersection B complement. Okay. Try to have some idea on this one. Okay. Yeah. Yes, clear. So one second, this is a summary. I will share this in your notes also. Okay, sample space, sample points, event, all these things. Okay. So probability. What is now comes the probability. Till now we have discussed about the event, sample space, all these things, random experiment, all this outcome. Well, what is probability, guys? Guys, what is probability? Chalo, tell me what is probability. We'll just have a brief intro on this one. What is probability? It is the ratio of what? Very good, Naveen and Suraj. What is the probability? How can you find, yeah, this could happen? What is the chance of happening? Means probability means what is the chance of happening that event or anything? Yeah, very good, Kathy. So, what is the probability? Number of favorable outcomes, right? What are the number of favorable outcomes by total number of outcomes? Okay. So look at here, everyone. So look at the center one. What is the probability of event E is number of favorable outcome by total number of possible outcomes. Okay, means N of E by total number of outcomes means sample space. How many number of outcomes are total number of outcomes will be there in sample space only. So P of E is equal to N of E by N of S. Understood? So definition is very, very important, guys. Probability of an event is number of favorable outcomes by total number of possible outcomes. Clear? Please remember, okay? You should understand how, okay? So, yeah, throwing a die. What is asking the question? Yeah, and other thing here, one thing you have to remember, guys. What is the minimum value of a probability of an event? It always lies from 0 to 1. Remember, it always lies from 0 to 1, guys. Obviously, right? So always the favorable outcomes will be less than or equal to the total outcomes, right? Okay, everyone. That's the reason your probability will always remains between 0 to 1. Okay. So what is asking? Any question? Any good question? Yeah, this is one good question. So look at here. Just try to solve this question, guys. What is the question is asking? A die is thrown. What is the probability that a prime number will appear? Guys, come on, please tell me. What is the sample space for a die is thrown? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. And now my first one, what is my event? It is a prime number. So what are my elements in my event, guys? Please tell me. What are my elements in the event? So these are 2, 3, 5. So now according to our formula, what is my probability of E? It is nothing but N of E by N of sample space. So it is how many number of elements are there? 3 by 6. So your answer is 1 by 2. Very good, guys. So now tell me what is the second one? Number greater than or equal to 3 appear. Guess how many elements are there? I just want to do it directly here. How many elements are there greater than or equal to 3? So what is my second one answer, guys? Come on. Total 4. Total how many outcomes are there? 6. It is 2 by 3. That's it. Very simple. Very good, guys. Come on. Very good, guys. Very good. What about third one? Number less than or equal to 1. Guess how many elements are there for number less than or equal to 1? I think less than or equal to 1, Veerappa. Very good, Karthik. So one element 1 is there, right? So it is only one outcome will be there by 6. 1 by 6 is your answer. Understood, everyone? Very good. A number more than 6 will appear. Yes, what is my answer for the fourth one? Any number will you get which is greater than 6 if a die is thrown? No, not at all. Obviously, so it is 0. It is a very good, sir. It is an impossible event. So for impossible event, your probability is 0. Understood everyone? Very good YouTubers, very good guys. Supriya, Suguna, Sandeep, Hari Prasad, Priyanka, Bhargav, Suguna, very good guys. Yeah. So that's very simple, right? So now another question. The same, you guys are very fast. So please stay like that and please give me the answer. There are 4 men and 6 women. Okay. What is saying? Look at here, everyone. 4 men and 6 women in a council. If one member is selected for a committee, how likely is that it is a woman? Means one member is selected, he is asking what is the probability for a woman. Come on, please tell me. So I need a event which is a woman. So for woman, what is the number n of e, guys? For women, how many women are there? 6. By what? By total. By total outcome is total number of members is 10. So it is 6 by 10. It is 3 by 5. That's it. It is not at all a big deal, right? Okay. Simple. Okay. And now, yeah, and this one, assassination, right? He is given the example as, look at here. He has given, I'm writing the question, assassination. And total, how many letters are there, guys? First one he is giving vowel, A-I-O-U, and second one he is giving consonant. Vowels means A-E-I-O-U, right? So total number of words are how much? So that I can do the sample space. Total number is 6, 9, 12 and 1, 13, right? Guys, did you count it or not? It is 13. Okay. So how many vowels are there, guys? A-E-I-O-U, right? How many vowels are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. I think 6, right? Is it? Am I correct, guys? Okay. So what is your answer? So it is 6 by 13. That's it. Now what is consonant? Guys, come on. How many? The rest of the things are consonant, right? 7 by 13. Or else you can do 1 minus 6 by 13 also, you'll get answer. Okay. Guys, clear everyone? It is 7, Chinmay. 7 by 13, okay? See, these are like easy things, guys. Okay, once you understood the question, it is very easy. Okay, so now you just see A or B and A. So here the formula is there. 3 formulas are there. Look at here. I think you guys already know this one. What is P A union B, guys? It is P of A plus P of B. This N of A union B you have studied, I think so. N of A union B is N of A plus N of B minus N of A intersection B. Have studied it or not? Please tell me. So the same thing goes here also, because the only thing is that it is sample space for number. Number by sample space gives you the probability. P of A union B, I can simply say it is P of A plus P of B. Guys, come on. Minus what? You guys tell me. Minus. Come on, tell me the answer, guys. Come on. Yeah, very good. So it is minus P of A intersection B. Okay, very good. So if someone is asking P of A intersection B, what is your answer? It is P of A plus P of B minus P of A union B. Okay, very good. So the very important thing is, what is P of A complement? Just before I've discussed, right? I have drawn a diagram. So I've told you that I will discuss in probability. So here it is. So what is P of A complement, guys? It is a total probability minus P of A. Can I say like that? Because if you have some event A, what is A complement, guys? Guess what is event A if it is like this? What is A complement? Means all the things except A, right? All the things except A. Can anyone tell me what is the total probability? Guess what is probability of sample space? It is 1, right? Anna, guess, do you agree or not? Probability of sample space is total number of outcome possible means n of E means n of S only here. N of S. By n of S, you will get 1. So probability of sample space is always 1. So it is 1 minus P of A. Guys, do you agree? So this one is very, very important, guys. Very, very important. P of A complement is equal to 1 minus P of A. So if someone is asking you what is P of A union B whole complement, what you will say? It is also 1 minus P of A union B. Like that you have to do. A union B or A intersection B, anything. Guys, understood or not? Please tell me. Guys, please tell me, everyone understood? Any doubt? So here, if someone is asking you P of A complement intersection B complement, it is same as P of A union B whole complement, right? So each and everything is interlinked. Okay, so please be careful, guys. Okay, so see, you already know that A union B whole complement is nothing but A complement intersection B complement, right? So it is completely vice versa. Okay, so each and everything is important. According to this only, we always try to solve the problems. So please remember these things. So the summary I'm just telling you, look at here. P of A complement is equal to 1 minus P of A. Okay. So if another one is P of A complement intersection B complement means what it is? It is nothing but P of A union B whole complement. You agree? That is equal to 1 minus P of A union B. Okay. So please remember these two. Very, very important, guys. Okay. Understood, everyone? Guys, clear or not? Please tell me. Guys, clear? So still 3 to 4 examples are there, guys. Okay. 3 to 4 examples are there. Small examples. That in the next class I will start it. And the next class I'm going to discuss very important topic, conditional probability and Bayes theorem, from where questions will be asked. These are all things are basics. For understanding the main topics, you should be strong at basics. That is the reason I've taken one class for introduction part. Still 2 or 3 examples left that I will complete. In the next class, guys. Okay. In the tomorrow 5 p.m. class is there, right? Okay. So everyone, please try to attend the class tomorrow, and please stay active. Okay. YouTubers, I hope everyone has given the attendance. Please give the attendance, guys. JNV is going to reopen exactly. We don't have any idea, Priyanka. For now, we're not having any idea. We just have to wait. Okay. So if anyone has missed the attendance, YouTubers, please give the attendance and then you can leave the class, YouTubers. Okay. JPMC guys, please stay back. YouTubers, everyone take care, and we will meet tomorrow. I'm going to discuss condition probability and Bayes theorem tomorrow, guys, at 5 p.m. Okay. Take care.